Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video, guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata and you're trying to find where the fuse for the cooling fan, also known as radiator fan, is located. You actually guys have up to 3 fuses. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover each one of them. That should cover the generation from year 2009 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses, guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing, guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan, guys? To make at least 200, guys, free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300, guys, mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called How to Repair, guys. Right here, guys, we have helped more than 100 million people. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So specifically, we have a 2013 Hyundai Sonata, guys, right here, and you can see this is the radiator cooling fan. Always keep your fingers out of reach, guys. Right here, that's a fuse box that we'll be working on. We have, guys, one tab here, one there. You need to squish and pull that cover straight up. Okay, just like that. Now, guys, we need to find where the fuses are located. Looking at the box this way, okay, what do we have here? If you put the box this way, it corresponds to the layout right here. So now that's where things get interesting, guys. You have relays, you have fuses, but always check the fuses first and then replace the relays. If you need to buy any relays, fuses, we'll put the link in the description of the video below, guys. So always check it out. Now, where do we have, guys, okay, the fuses for the radiator fans? So let's cover that. You're going to start with the first one that says C fan right here, guys. Okay, cooling fan right here, 40 amp fuse. So if you come on this side, okay, this fuse right here, this is a radiator fan fuse. You can pull it with pliers or a fuse puller for that size and replace it. I always recommend to test the fuses. Why? Simply because sometimes, guys, okay, you may think you have a good fuse when you have actually bad fuse. If you want to find out how to test the fuse, we made a special video that explains how to do that in practically, guys. Okay, just a few seconds you can test the fuse yourself and find out if it's good or bad. So we'll definitely recommend to test it, guys. And as I said, there is, guys, relays that control 3 components. I mean, 1 fuse and 2 relays that control the radiator fan. The other relays, okay, you can see for the radiator fan are right here for low speed. High speed is right here as well. Those are, guys, the main things that control your radiator fan, cooling fan on your Hyundai Sonata. If it's not working, check those. We will have a video how to test the radiator fan and how to find out if it's working or not. Super simple video will be coming on our channel, so please subscribe. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.